Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are doing great. So if you are really liking this series and the efforts which my team has been putting on for creating such a creative PPT for you guys so that you can understand the concept of predicting the output in C language, then it's our request to you to kindly subscribe to our channel and just share this content or this video link to your friends so that every one of you can have this knowledge of how to predict the output correctly. Okay, so let's get started with the next video in this series. So this is the next question. I would suggest every one of you to kindly pause this video and just try to solve this question on your own. Okay, then I will be telling you the solution to it. Okay, I hope you all probably got some answers. So let us see how to solve this question. So in the very first line, you can see that we are declaring a variable x and we are initializing it with value 3. Okay, now x is having value 3. So in the very first if condition, we are checking whether x is equals to 2. So double equals to is a comparison operator, as you already know from the previous videos. Okay, so if x is equals to 3, then the condition becomes false because x value is 3, right? So this line won't be executed, right? The body of if won't be executed because we know that without curly braces the body of any block like for loop, while loop, or if case, okay, anything will have a default of one line. Means without braces the body of if block will be of a single line, correct? So this x equals to 0 is within if body, right? Then we go to this if block. So now we are checking whether x is equals to 3 or not. Yes, it is equals to 3, so the condition becomes true. So then we are execute the body of this if, that is x plus plus. So we will increment the value of x by 1. So now the value of x becomes 4, correct? Now else block won't be executed, so we go to printf and then we print x equals to 4 because x is incremented by 1, so it becomes 4. So now x equals to 4, right? So x equals to 4 will be our answer. So those of you who have received x equals to 4 as your answer, then I must tell you that you have not watched this series from the very first video. That is why you are doing this mistake. So again, it's my request to every one of you to not directly start from in between the series. Kindly go and watch this series from the first of the video, from the very first of this series. Then only you will get each and every single concept line by line. Okay, so let me tell you a golden statement here so that you can understand what is the actual picture going on in here. Okay, so the golden statement here is semicolon is the statement terminator in C language. Yes, like in English language, the statement terminator is a full stop, correct? So similarly in programming languages like C language, the statement terminator is a semicolon. Okay, so what does this mean? See, in the very first line, this line is ending here in this semicolon, right? So it is a one statement. So now we are executing it and we got x equals to 3, means the value 3 is assigned to variable x, correct? Now we are coming to this line and we are checking whether x is equals to 2 or not. But you see the statement is terminated over here, means the statement is terminated over here. We are having a semicolon over here, means this if block is not having any body. Okay, means nothing is defined inside the body of this if block. Okay, so this x equals to 0 is not inside the body of this if block, it is outside this if block. Okay, it is an independent statement on itself. So this condition becomes false, so nothing happens, so it comes here. Now this will be executed because it is a separate statement. Okay, and it is not mandatory to press enter and keep this x equals to 0 in the next line. No, you can write the entire code in a single line, but it's not readable, it's not enough readable for any human being. So that is why we write code in line by line manner. Okay, so this x equals to 0 is an independent statement which will be executed. So now the value of x will be overridden with value 0. correct. Now the x is having 0. Now we come to this if block, and you can see the if block is not terminated over here, it is terminated over here. So this entire thing is within the if block itself, and similarly for this else block also. So this if block becomes invalid because x value is updated to 0. So 0 is not equals to 3. So that is why this is not executed. The thing which is executed will be the else block, because the condition becomes false, and whenever we know that if the if condition becomes false, the else block will be executed, correct. So now else block will be executed, and then we will print we will update the value of x by 2. So now x will become 0 plus 2, that is 2. So then we will print x equals to 2 on the output console. So this is how you need to read the code. So you need to understand where the semicolon is given. It is very important, okay. So if you still didn't understand this question, I would suggest you to kindly rewatch this video. You will definitely understand it, and it is very important you to understand, okay. Because if you just without giving any notice on this semicolon, that where are semicolons present in the code, then you might end up with some errors, okay. So this is the logic I wanted you to know. So the final answer will be x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 is a final answer. I hope you got this concept. That is why I always say you to watch this video from the very first video of this series, so that you can understand each and every single concept. Okay, so if you really like this question, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you will get continuous notifications from our side. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.